Who is the only scientist to have become the President of India?
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is become the only scientist who has become the President of India.
Name any three scholars who have been the President of India.
The Sarpalli Radhakrishnan, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the three scholars.
Who is called the Missile Man of India?
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is called the Missile Man of India.
Who is called the Missile Man of India? Do you remember any childhood experience of your own? If yes, narrate your experience.
Yes, I have an experience. I was a student of class 6. My science teacher told us that he was going to show a magic apart. He took the glass full of water and put a postcard over it. He turned the glass upside down. We were surprised to notice that what fall down. He explained it scientifically.
True or false? Kalam was born in a high class family.
False.
Kalam was 8 years old when the Second World War broke out.
True.
India joined the Allied forces.
True.
Jalauddin helped Kalam earn his first wages.
False.
Jalauddin helped Kalam earn his first wages.
True.
False. Kalam is now ashamed of how he earned his own money for the first time.
True.
No?
False.
Ashamed. शर्मिंदा हो गए थे वो.
False.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in a Tamil family at Rameswaram in Madras.
True.
Who were the parents of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? Parents. APJ Abdul Kalam parents.
Jalauddin and
Asimma were the
APJ Abdul Kalam mother.
Jalaluddin and Asimma were the parents
Of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
When was his ancestral house built?
At 19th century.
In middle of the 19th century. When did the Second World War break out?
The Second World War broke out in 1939.
Broke out in 1939.
In 1939.
True, false. Kalam had three close friends, Ramanand Sastri, Arvind and Shiv Prakashan.
True.
All the three boys were from Orthodox Hindu Brahmin families.
True.
The ancestral business of their family was cooking.
False.
Events from the Ramayana and from the life of the prophet were the bedtime stories that his mother and grandmother used to tell the children.
False.
True.
True.
है ना, उनके मम्मी पापा रामायण सुनाते थे. दादी मम्मी. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate words from the text. Pakshi Lakshman Sastri was the high dash of Rameswaram temple.
Priest.
During the annual dash ceremony, our family used to arrange.
Sri Sitaram Kalyanam.
Okay. Kalam used to wear dash which marked him as a Muslim.
Cap.
He used to sit in front desk next to Ramanand Sastri.
Row.
What qualities did